All right, welcome back. We're still keeping an eye on the hail tracker. This is the storm that's moving towards us quite quickly. And as it does so, it's dropping a decent amount of hail across West Michigan, especially through Allegan County. There is a good chance that this is going to continue and even head over towards Berry County potentially, continuing to drop hail towards Mill Grove, South Monterey, and Hopkins. So monitoring this cell closely, if we just give you some perspective here, zoom out, give you a fresh track on this. Hopkins arrival time right around 6:24 for this cell, Wayland 6:37, Middleville 6:53, and Carlton close to 7:09. Here's the thing, we've been watching these cells scan by scan. Occasionally the location of the hail core will change, and occasionally it'll either speed up or slow down or change direction slightly. That's why we continue to put fresh tracks on this cell. Caledonia, I'd get ready for some downpour action, if not some small hail. Lake Odessa, same story along with Sunfield and Portland. Speaking of sun, not quite Sunfield, but sun is out in Muskegon. This is a wild day, and this is one of those days where we have all of the ingredients for at least some severe weather. Right now we're at about a 2 out of 5 for a severe risk. That's why we're seeing this severe thunderstorm rolling through Allegan County. We will be watching more showers and storms form upstream, and we'll be watching these closely too tonight to see if they also can produce some large hail. But the biggest impact that we're going to see from these by far is just soaking rain. So taking us to about 10 o'clock in the evening, it does look like the showers and storms upstream that could be severe in Iowa will eventually just turn into rounds of soaking rain. The exact placement of where the rain might fall could change because it's all dependent on where the storms fire in the next couple of hours. So as we get closer to overnight tonight, we should start to see where the band of heaviest rain sets up. And once again, we have flooding potential. It's taking to 8 a.m. Many of us waking up to thunder, flashes of lightning, and this fills in for the morning. But because the rain is most persistent further to the north overnight, we have flood watches for Kent, Ottawa off to the north for now. Here's a check of the rainfall futurecast. Again, this is dependent. It could shift a little further to the south, but 1 to 2 inches not out of the question for the biggest downpours tonight. Some of us might be cloudy and just mild with a few sprinkles from time to time, but once we get into Wednesday, we all have a chance for more showers and storms. Huge temperature difference as expected today. Tomorrow, many of us will climb up to 72, so it's going to feel incredibly mild. That's because a warm front lifts to the north tonight, helping to trigger some of the heavy rain. And as we get into Wednesday, this is 9 a.m., we have to start watching for a few rounds of showers and storms to tap into a lot of potential for severe weather. So a lot of this is going to be dependent on cloud cover, but still, we haven't seen parameters quite this good for strong to severe storms to erupt and track through in quite a long time in West Michigan. So it's not a slam dunk. Remember, risk is not a guarantee, but we have an increased risk for strong to severe storms on Wednesday, some of which could even produce a tornado or two across Michigan. So we don't see days like Wednesday very often, and we calm down after it, but we are definitely all hands on deck tonight, tomorrow, just to watch and let you know if we need to take cover.
And it's all over the place.
It is.
Yeah,
Yeah, everyone.
throughout.
Yep.
All right, Ellen, thank you.